I'm having a really funny day. And what I want you to do is go thank Vaughn. You can thank him on this video. You can thank him. Why is that not showing up? There we go. Here's Vaughn. Here's what Vaughn looks like. Oh, wait.
This is the Grand Theft Auto 4 review, alright?
There he is. He comes in all hype. Thank Vaughn for me making this video. I'm having a real weird day. So, sorry about doing this vlog style video, but I gotta give it to you. Sorry, you gotta have it. Like, so I started the day and I cleaned up, so the house is looking a little bit nicer. That's all. Oh, this is all spread out every way, but dishes are done. That's great. Wonderful. I'm making a video about that too. But I ended up making this video titled How to Make Money Online. I'm gonna just call this video the same thing. But I talked for like 20 minutes and then I just walked around outside and it was weird. And then I tried to make another video about it just maybe like half an hour ago. And I'm like, man, forget it. I can't make this video. And then I'm chilling and in my inbox comes, if you don't know, YouTube is going to allow people to hook up the ability to download their videos. And you can charge money and you can set the whatever. So they're giving me that functionality. So I'm gonna hook that up. How much do you think I should charge for the videos? I only can set one price for all the videos, I think. What do you think is a good price? $1, $2, $1 million? Think about it. If I set it for $1 million, I just gotta sell like one video and I'll be a millionaire. Think about that one. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead there. Vaughn got his shout out. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about making money online. I've been studying it. I'm gonna show you who my teacher is. This is my, like, I'm all Chinesey about stuff, and the only link is gonna be so you can go over there and buy my, like, the dude I study under, Jason Mofo. Actually, and I study from Frank Kern too. There's J Mo. So clicking the link will bring you to this page, and down at the bottom, it's 77 bucks. You can get into his mastermind group. And I didn't want to make a video about the mastermind group until I knew it was badass. But it is badass. I just read this thread. Look at all this. This is all like dope information about making money on the internet. And it is dope. And there you have it. And if you happen to want, you're like, I gotta make money. It's 77 bucks. I get a piece of that action. I'll be upfront with you. I get some of that. But, like 77 bucks. Here, this is like, when that came out, it was 60 bucks. How much money did that make you? When this came out, that was another 60 bucks. How much money did you get from that? Probably lasted you like a month or two. And actually, I paid 400 bucks to get in that group. Anyway, that's the end of me selling you on that group. What I wanted to tell you is that making money on the internet is a very possible and real thing. And it's a little more work doing it like my way. And I'm going to end up coming out with my own system that I'll probably sell for $400, no joke. And then I'll sell for $1,000, no joke. So there's like, and it's funny, I just made that video about sexy Phil and douchebaggery. And I want to keep this short. Like there's a lot of different ways to make money on the internet, off the internet, whatever. I just want to say, you don't have to be a douchebag about how you go about whatever, getting views, getting subscribers, making money. There's a way to do it that keeps it real. I believe Mofo keeps it real. Frank Kern, this is all Frank Kern stuff. Frank Kern, he keeps it real. And it's like a little bit, it's like a lot of work going about it, you know, because there's tools out there to increase your video views or mass send people messages and all this kind of stuff. And I don't know. I wouldn't recommend going about it that way. Anyhow, so my let me finish with something. Definitely click that link and buy your way into what you'll get is a bunch. I've watched all the videos. I'm on a mission basically to learn all this stuff. Not so much the way to make money really quickly. I'll tell you this is by selling other people's products. I think that means I'm supposed to end this video. but it's by selling other people's products. I want to sell my own products. So I got to put in some work making products. And I'm going to take this call and I'm done with this video. Peace. Hello? Alright, see, I'm on the phone with Corey, and here's the Fable 2 box that I'm going to mail. It's right here in my hand. You'll see it there. And to the person that said to Corey that the shout out wasn't for Corey, yes, it was for that Corey. But there's probably some other Corys watching this, and no, it's not for them, but it was for the one, yeah.